इस तरह करते हैं इसको, हम फिलिंग कर रहे हैं इस तरह डालने की, ठीक है। यू टेक आउट योर पिन फ्रॉम हियर and you bring it through and then again put it in. From down you bring your pin up, and pull it and then again go horizontal. This is how we are going to fill up this sleeve. Okay, so again you bring your needle, right, and then you put it horizontally slant like a, put it down, and the ear you get. So the same thing I'm going to do over here as well. I'm just going to bring this up and then I'm going to put it horizontally, right. I'm going to just fill up the, you don't need to be very clear about it, you just need to fill this sleeve and make it look like a leaf, right. I'm not a very professional embroidery artist, but whatever I have learned, I'm gonna put it to use today and I'm gonna use it. Okay, so this is how you fill up a leaf. I'm gonna show you how to do the filling of the entire leaf. It's visible. It's quite a big leaf. You don't need to leave the white, I forgot this here. You don't need to leave any whiteness. You need to do all the filling, right, like this, right. You don't need to leave any empty spaces of the cloth. See, you're doing amazing embroidery. It's very easy actually. You can do this on your clothes also. If you are a professional, then you can definitely do it on the clothes. It's a beautiful art. Such a beautiful art. I've nearly completed the leaf. Now this part is left. Today I'm only teaching you how to make a leaf. Next time I can teach you something else as well. So today also I will be teaching you how to do a normal stitch. Okay, this is a leaf, the filling of a leaf. You just bring your, again I'm showing it to you the last time, you don't need to leave any empty spaces. You need to fill up the spaces, and you just bring your needle like this up, like that, okay, and then you go slant, right, and put it down. So this way your leaves are completed. If you can see any empty white spaces, you're needed to fill those spaces up. Like if I can see that there's a white space left, I just need to fill that out. Okay, now that's it. I think I'm done with my leaf. I think I've done, right? Okay, so this is a kind of a needle you would require. I don't know this. It's like this. You need this big kind of a needle. If it's visible, the thing has to be big because you need to put this thread. It shouldn't be a very teeny needle. Embroidery needles are like this, and you need to put this thing in the thread. This is the thread. Okay, you can see I'm pulling the thread like that. Now just you need to make the thread double. Okay, so if you can see this, these are two double threads, right? And it's in this needle. They're two double threads. Okay, you just pull it and it becomes double threads, right? And then you need to knot the end of it. The end of it, you need to knot it like this, right? You just give it a knot. Here you go. You knotted it. It's nice and strong now. Your needle will stay intact, right? Like that. Now I'm going to show you how to do a chain stitch. This. Press it like, do like that. You brought your thread out, okay? And now what you have to do is you have to do this. Do this, and this thread which is on this side, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. The thread that is on the left hand side, you have to bring that. This is your right thread and this is your left thread. We are doing a chain stitch. The needle that is come out like that, you put the thread on top of it, right, like that, and then you are going to pull the thread like that. You get a stitch, and then take that same needle. There's a circle over here. You put that needle in that circle, and again you do the same thing. You put the left hand. You put the right hand one stitch on this, and then you pull it again. Okay, 1 second. It has happened. Something wrong has gone. Okay, no, these threads have caught up. Okay, all right. So we're just going to fix this. Okay, so if you can see, I've already started the stitches. I'm going to show you that what I did. Like, if you can see that there's a circle that I've made, right? You just put this inside the circle and put your thread around the needle, okay, and then bring this and then pull it. Like, you get a chain stitch, and in the similar way, you're just going to do the same thing again. In the circle, you put your needle and then the thread around, and then you pull it. So you're getting a chain type of a stitch. Then like that. So in the circle, you put this is your circle. You bring the needle up. You put your thread around the needle, and then this again. So like that. This design I have made with a pencil. You can choose any design, and this is known as a chain stitch, okay? So you know, it's looking so beautiful actually. And then again, so what you do is the circle comes, bring your needle up, put the thread around, and that's the beauty of it. Again, you don't need the pencil mark showing, so you need to cover up everything which has the pencil mark, right? Okay, So here you go. Similarly, we need to complete the other one like that. This one. Okay, you bring your needle like that. Then how do you start a chain stitch? Okay, you bring your you can see that the from down I pulled up the needle, right? Thread is here. Now what I'll do, I'll put my hand here and I will put it on that pencil mark. I'll just poke the needle and bring the needle up like that, like this. Okay, and just bring it across, and this thing that is left, I'm going to put it across it. Okay, the needle, and I'm going to make a chain. How amazing is that, right? So this is how you need to do it. You bring the little part up, then the thread is across the needle. Okay, it's across the needle, right? And then you bring the chain. There you go. In the same way, in the hole you have to put the needle, put the thread, bring the thread up like this. Okay, in the hole you're going to bring the needle, you're going to put the thread around this needle, then you're going to, so I'm going to make the entire chain